Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 328, problem 2. If n is a positive integer, it says n is a positive integer, and n plus 4 over 3 to the n equals 2 over 3, then which of the following is equal to n? Now, they've already told you n is a positive integer, so don't even worry about that. If you don't read responsibly, then you could end up wasting some time trying to plug -1 in there, and that's going to be a lot of extra work. It really does. It's not what you want to do. Make sure that any information they give you that obviously eliminates an answer, eliminate it right away. We're not even going to bother with that. Okay. If you're a math person, then your mathematical intuition is probably telling you that there are multiple answers to n. So if you try to solve for n, you're not going to get a specific answer. You shouldn't get a specific answer. That's going to be bad. But you don't have to write the answer in here. This is not one of those problems. This is another one of those elimination questions, and I've already eliminated something. So it's pretty good. I'm always talking about the order in which to plug things into the problem. Whatever is going to be easiest to calculate is what you should plug in. You're not looking for all solutions for n. You're looking for two things that are not solutions for n to come off the list. That's, again, and I keep mentioning this, difference between an algebra class and a test preparation class. This is a test preparation class. 2 of these answers need to go away. It doesn't matter how many solutions there are for n. If there's only one solution for n on the list, that's what you want. You want the other ones to go away. That's the whole problem, really. Okay, so if there were a 0, I would suggest plugging in 0. That's, I'm not going to get into it. Okay, so what happens if we plug in 1 for that? It becomes 5 over 3 equals 2 over 3. 5 does not equal 2, so right away, also off the list. 1's the easiest to calculate. Next easiest to calculate, conveniently, is the 2. That becomes 6 over 9 equals 2 over 3. Okay? These are equivalent expressions, so that seems to be the answer. Okay, you could check D, but I would say don't bother on the test unless there's actually some kind of doubt in your mind as to what you just did. It's going to become 7 over 27 equals 2 over 3. That probably is not correct. Okay. I'm not going to read it. I can see that it's not. Okay. So there you have it. That's actually the process for this. Is don't solve for things if you don't need to solve for them. Your job is always, except where you have to write something in. If you are given 4 possible answers, your job is always to eliminate 3 of those answers. Okay?